if you shave your hairs, it's going to grow back thicker and it's going to grow back faster and darker. Have you ever heard that? Oh my gosh, I've heard this all my life. This is my razor. I've always heard that if you shave, it's going to cause your hair to grow back thicker, darker, and faster. Is that true? Guys, we are answering that question, and boy, do I have answers for you, okay? To answer the question, by the way, let's start. I'm going to jump right into a photo here. Take a look at this. This is a good old sort of hair shaft in a hair follicle. It's sort of sitting, it's going right through the skin, right? Okay, so this is kind of what it looks like. And you can see sort of the end of the hair shaft sort of tapers. And what happens? You're asking yourself, what is going on? Well, first of all, let me tell you the answer to the question. Okay, I'm going to give you the answer to 2 of those questions, then I'll tell you the third answer. Oh, and by the way, at the end, I'm going to go through a few different ways you can remove hair safely, by the way. Okay, so the answer to the question, number 1, no, your hair does not grow back faster. Number 2, no, it does not grow back thicker. So I know you're saying, okay, we'll explain this. Well, let me explain, guys. When we shave our hairs, what are we doing? We're putting the razor on the skin. We are basically cutting off the hair shaft at the skin surface. You can kind of imagine what that would be like as you're looking at this diagram. What happens? Well, it sort of bluntly, the razor bluntly cuts off the hair. That's going to leave some blunt angles at the hair shaft. It's not going to have that tapered look that happens towards the end. Blunt angles, it's going to be perhaps sharp. And also, as it starts to grow through, it's going to, through the skin that is, it's going to grow through and feel a bit stiffer, more coarse, more resistant to movement than it's going to feel when that hair shaft gets further out. So it's going to give the impression that, number 1, as you look at the surface, it's going to look as though it's thicker, even though it's not. And it's also going to feel as though it's growing a bit faster, okay? Even though that's not either. Now, I know you guys are saying, okay, well, what about the hair color? Okay, what's the deal with that? Does the hair color change? I mean, I feel like when I shave my hair, it grows back darker. Okay, well, guys, this is a genetic thing. It's your genetics determines your hair color, not whether you shave or not, okay? And a couple things to keep in mind with that. Now, I would say if your hair is, sorry, I'm just a little brain fart. If your hair is exposed to chemicals or sun or whatever, yes, the hair color could bleach or change or whatever, but that's due to exposure. It's not due to the fact that you shaved, okay? So keep that in mind. So no, your hair is not going to grow back thicker or faster or darker just because you shave, but there are a few ways you can remove hair safely if that's what you want to do. Of course, shaving is one of them, but there are also depilatories. Those are chemicals used to sort of dissolve hair. You got to be careful where you use those. It can cause some skin sensitivity as well, but that is an option. Also, laser hair removal is an option that many people entertain. Also, things like waxing can hurt. At least it hurts me, but can be a good option for many people as well. Threading, you've probably seen people get their eyebrows, as an example, threaded. That can happen as well. There's electrolysis. There's also prescription creams and medications to help remove hair as well. Did I get through all my list of hair removal? There's probably some other hair removal. I think I got through some of the main ones. But yes, if you are interested in hair removal, make sure you're talking to your doctor about what method is right for you. If you choose to shave, your hair will not grow back thicker, darker, or faster. Guys, I'm Dr. Jen Caudle, practicing family physician, on-air health expert, and video creator. I do daily videos every single day. On Facebook, please like and follow my page. For those of you who send stars, those are monetary gifts, by the way, for those of you who ask. I so appreciate it. Consider joining my Dr. Jen Superstars for exclusive content. Also on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. Click the little bell for updates. I also but I invite you to come to my subscription groups too, if you become a member as well. Guys, also go to drjencaudle.com for my free health newsletter and so much more. All right, guys, happy shaving. All right, bye.